Jordan from Jordan's Easy Entertaining here, and welcome to the 12 Days of Christmas. I've teamed up with some of my favorite bloggers to bring you 12 days of Christmas ideas to help you get ready for the holidays. And today we are all sharing fireplace decor. So I'm going to share with you my traditional red Christmas fireplace decorations. If you saw my Halloween series and saw the spooky fireplace decor, then you might recognize this frame. So I'm using the same trick that I did with that decorations by taking the picture that was in this frame and just covering it with, in this case, wrapping paper. It's got pretty music notes on here to go behind the wreath that I have up here. So I also made this wreath, and I really wanted it to light up just the way that my garland is, but I didn't want a cord to be showing. So I got 3 battery-operated fairy lights. So those are strung throughout the wreath, and the battery packs are hidden up behind the bow. Head over to jordanseasyentertaining.com to see more of this fireplace decor and to see what the other bloggers are up to during today's 12 Days of Christmas. And while you're over there, don't forget to enter my Christmas giveaway where I am giving away a rose gold cake stand just like the one that I used to one winner who is over 18 and lives in the US. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!